Tonight. This is Iris and Willie's baby. This is her boy. He's up on his PlayStation. We've been having fun. What are you doing? What are you doing? Playing with a mouse on a string. What are you doing? You silly Ellie. You silly Ellie. I like his little chocolate cheeks. They're so cute. What happened to it? Huh? And here's his sister right here. She's a chocolate point too. She's got the cheeks too, but they're not quite as dark as his. Yeah. They love their PlayStation. Let's see if I... Hey, sweet pie. She looks just like her daddy. They're always busy, busy, busy. Busy, busy, busy. Busy, 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 aren't we? Aren't we? Yeah. This little girl is Petunia's baby. Her face is filthy from eating. She squishes the food in her bowl, and then she screams for you to push it all up again so she can eat it. She flattens it out, so you can imagine how dirty her face is. We're trying to wean her onto wet food. She can't get it. She wants it wet, but she's got to bite this food, so she's in training to wean right now. And I mean, we talk a messy face. Okay, here. Say, I'm hungry. She ate probably about 4 hours ago, and she's hungry again. She's spoiled. That's what she is. She's the only child. She's the only child. And she's been spoiled. And she's hungry right now. And so she's growling. See, and I don't like it. It's not easy to eat. What we've been doing is grinding up the dry food. And then adding water to soften it. And then we mix it with wet food. That's her mom right there. Petunia! Petunia! I'd hate to see what she would do with the actual mouse. Probably wouldn't be much left of it. Because she's pretty hungry. She is chewing it though. Not just licking. Spoiled, spoiled. I wonder if she actually acts like she thinks it's a mouse. Wants it to stay still. Weaning's hard on them. And her mom is not feeding her anymore. She's feeding other babies, but she's taking a hard stance on her, wanting her to wean. That's Iris's chocolate boy. He's beautiful, beautiful coat. Beautiful chocolate cheeks. Okay. Spoiled. Spoiled. No. Well, I better attend to my task at hand of feeding this baby. So we'll say goodbye from now from Iris's litter. Petunia's litter. See, she looks right at me and screams. That's spoiled. Iris's litter and Petunia's litter. Bye for now.